2 weeks after the United States announced a massive package of arms sales to Taiwan, valued at more than $11 billion, that includes medium-range missiles, howitzers and drones, multiple forces of the Eastern Theater Command of the Chinese People's Liberation Army started joint live fire drills codenamed Justin Mission 2025 around the Taiwan island. The drills involve air, navy and rocket forces, and the drill is taking place in the Taiwan Strait as well as to the northeast, southwest, southeast of the island.
Starting December 29, the PLA Eastern Theater Command is dispatching its Army, Navy, Air Force and Rocket Force troops to conduct drills codenamed Justice Mission 2025 in the Taiwan Strait and areas to the north, southwest, southeast and east of Taiwan Island. The drills will focus on subjects of sea-air combat readiness patrol, joint seizure of comprehensive superiority, blockade on key ports and areas. It is a stern warning against Taiwan's separatist forces and external interference, and a legitimate and necessary action to safeguard China's sovereignty and national unity.
In the recent months, Taiwan has also ramped up its military to counter the growing Chinese threat in the skies and around the island. Taiwan has emphasized on drone operations and combat training conducted by reservists. They had organized 14-day reservist program which included drone operations as well as training on new portable weapons.
We call on the Chinese authorities to act rationally and with self-restraint to immediately cease irresponsible, provocative behavior and not to misjudge the situation and become a troublemaker undermining regional peace. Our government will also continue to closely cooperate with all parties in the region to jointly protect the rules-based international order and safeguard peace, stability and security in the Indo-Pacific.
A day earlier, Russian Foreign Ministry Sergei Lavrov, in an interview with TASS, said Russia opposes Taiwan's independence in any form since their territory is an integral part of China. China has also claimed Taiwan to be an integral part of it, while the island opposes Chinese assertion and prefer democratic rule over communist government. Though US has claimed to have good relations with China, the recent arms package of $1 billion to Taiwan has drawn the ire of Beijing.
The Taiwan issue is the core of China's core interest, and China's resolve to safeguard national sovereignty, security and territorial integrity is unwavering. Any vile act of crossing the line and provoking on the Taiwan question will be met with China's firm countermeasures. Any sinister attempt to obstruct China's reunification will never succeed.
The drill also comes amid tensions with Japan. Last month, Japanese Prime Minister Sanai Takaichi, while responding to an opposition lawmaker in parliament about survival-threatening situations, said an attack on US warships sent to break any Chinese blockade on Taiwan could require Tokyo to intervene militarily to defend itself and its ally. China has also urged all nations seeking peace to take actions to resolutely contain the revival of Japanese militarism.